In 2013, something strange happened to me. I began to see a pulsing purple light, and I heard a loud voice in my head. It said one word, teach, and it was clear that God was inserting himself in my life in a very direct way. I've since learned that God does this a lot. There's nothing particularly unique about my experience, but it is more proof that an actual plan exists for each of us. This plan sees both the big picture and the minute details in ways that we simply can't, and guidance is the process that we use to tap into it. But guidance is a particularly confusing topic for course students, and we hear a lot of the same questions come up around it all the time. How do you hear more clearly? How do you ask for guidance? Who do you ask for guidance? How do you distinguish between the Holy Spirit and your ego? And the list goes on and on. In response to these questions, and because guidance is so foundational to the course's thought system, Robert and I are hosting a 2-part guidance workshop beginning this Sunday, August 16th, and continuing on Sunday, September 6th. The workshop is online and will be held from 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern both days. To register, just visit circleofa.org/guidance. By the end of our time together, our hope is that you not only have a more solid understanding of what the course has to teach on guidance, but that you know how to make it part of your decision-making process each day. We hope to see you there.